Let me guess, you're a teenager like myself, you want to make money online. In this video, I will be showing you ways in which you can make money online as a teenager. So without wasting any time, let's get into this video. YouTube, it's your boy here, Dollar Influencer, and today we're back at it with another YouTube video. In this video, I'll be showing you ways in which you can make money online as a teenager. The best part of this is that this is available worldwide. So if you're in South Africa, United States, or Nigeria, you are accommodated for. I'd like to take this moment to thank Larry's bank account because without him, I wouldn't be filming this video because of two reasons. The first reason being, this video is actually sponsored by one of his videos, as y'all can see right here. So make sure to go check it out in the description down below. First link in the description down below. The second reason being, I was actually tired. I told myself I'm not filming any videos until I got a call from Larry. And he actually told me that he's actually filming a video right now. And I actually told myself, you know what, we gotta keep grinding out here. Let's go film that video, man. But without wasting any time, let's get into these ways to make money as a teenager. The first way in which you can make money online is selling services on Fiverr. You can start selling services on Fiverr as early as 13 years old. Say you know how to create logos just like this. Go on Fiverr and create a gig whereby you'll be making logos, making thumbnails, or purely anything. One of the things I really love about Fiverr is that you list your own prices. You choose your own prices anywhere starting from $5, and then Fiverr takes 20% of that money when a customer orders. Let's put an instance whereby you list a gig for $10. If you get 10 orders, you are going to get $80 after Fiverr has taken its 20%. So that is one of the best ways to make money online as a teenager. One of the things you can also do is that you can also join Facebook groups in your niche, and whenever someone needs, for example, a logo, you can just send them a link to your Fiverr profile, and then they can just order using your link, and you can end up actually making a few sales using Facebook and Fiverr. The second way to make money online is to flip items on eBay. The reason why I'm recommending eBay and not Shopify is because Shopify is confusing at the start, but actually when you get the gist of everything, then it actually becomes easier. I will be making a video on how to use Shopify, but for right now, let's focus on eBay because the last thing I want is for you to be losing money from using Shopify the wrong way. You do actually need to be 18 years or older in order to open a eBay account, but you can actually ask your parents or guardian or even older brother or sister who is over the age of 18 to actually open the eBay account for you. Flipping on eBay needs time and patience, but if you learn the ins and outs of flipping on eBay, you can actually make a great amount of money from flipping on eBay. You don't need to go and literally buy things to start flipping on eBay. You can actually start right here in your house and actually ask, Mom, what are we not using in the house? For example, this chair right here, I can actually go and ask my parents, yo, are we using this chair? Can I list this chair on my eBay account? And if they say yes, I list it, and then when I get money from the chair, I can actually invest it into real products and then start flipping them on eBay. It will also make it easier for you to pick a niche for your eBay store because it will make it easier for you to source products, and you will have a better understanding of your eBay store. Before you go to the third way to make money online, make sure you have subscribed and turn on your page notifications so that when I upload, you never miss an upload. The third way to make money online is selling on Etsy. You also need to be 18 years or older to sell on Etsy, but just like Fiverr and eBay, you can actually go and ask your parents or guardian to open the Etsy account for you. Etsy is one of the sites like Fiverr, so there is buyers already on the platform. How can you make money on Etsy? You can make money on Etsy selling handmade products such as crafts, jewelry, and etc. So that's the third way to make money online as a teenager. Let's move on to the fourth way to make money online as a teenager. The fourth way to make money online as a teenager is to start a YouTube channel. I'm sorry for going crazy over there, but I also started my YouTube channel last year, and I'm also a teenager just like yourself, and I'm making money from my YouTube channel. So why not add it into this video, because this is the best way by far to make money as a teenager. I know it is overwhelming because you have to reach a threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, but trust me, it is worth it. With YouTube, you can make money a ton of ways. The most popular way to make money on YouTube is through Google AdSense, whereby Google is actually advertising on your videos. But there are other ways to make money, such as affiliate marketing and sponsorships. Other than the money that you can make from YouTube, there are benefits of starting a YouTube channel, such as learning the business side of YouTube, making YouTuber friends, gaining skills such as video editing skills and video production skills. One of the things I really love about YouTube is that it taught me a lot of things which I didn't learn at school. But anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. This is the end of the video. This is how to make money online as a teenager worldwide. Make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that when I upload, you never miss an upload. It's your favorite influencer, dollar influencer here, signing out. Peace. You choose your own prices anywhere starting from $5, and then Fiverr takes 20% of that. Fiverr takes 20% of Fiverr takes from is for you to be losing money from using